Hello everyone and welcome to another episode from Team Light Research. Portfolio is a concentrated momentum portfolio. What that means is that it is a momentum portfolio with only a limited number of stocks with much more frequent rebalancing, and it is tailor made so that you can take advantage of the trend in the market, generate high alpha returns and create a lot of value in this current trend. Obviously, what we have to understand is that it will have limited number of stocks. So the risk of the portfolio increases. It right now it has a lot of small cap exposure, so you can understand that is the risk that this particular portfolio has. It will be rebalanced frequently. It will be looked at on a weekly, bi-weekly basis, and you can expect much more frequent trades here. And obviously, it will have a lot of return potential because you're picking up these high performance stocks in the current trending market. So if and only if you are a high momentum, a high risk investor, you should look at it and you can take advantage of this portfolio to make the most out of the trending bull market. What we have also been telling you about Alpha Prime is that it is a concentrated momentum portfolio. So obviously this question comes up is what is the relation between alpha and momentum? So alpha and momentum are actually very closely linked concepts in finance. And in essence, both of them pertain to our aim to generate high returns and outperformance over the benchmark. So while alpha is a measure of an investment's outperformance over the benchmark, momentum is a strategy that we employ to achieve high alpha. I'm sure many of you know what momentum is, but for our new audience, I'll talk a little bit about what momentum investing is. Momentum investing is a strategy that involves buying stocks that are on an upward trend. Like the laws of physics, we believe that anything that has picked up momentum is going to continue to go up, or anything that is so the downward momentum is going to go down. If you look at the performance of high momentum stocks, you will see that high momentum stocks actually tend to outperform on the long term, not just in India, but also in global market. Now let's understand what is the relationship between high momentum and alpha. If you are able to identify and pick those stocks that have that trend, then obviously you're going to get a better performance than the benchmark, right? You are going to outperform the benchmark. There's a high chance of that. And that high performance over the benchmark is what we call alpha. And momentum investing is actually used to generate alpha. First thing is that our universe is top 500 stocks on the Nifty, right? So we will look at mid caps, small caps, and large caps, but we will not be biased towards any particular market cap. Right now, you see that this portfolio has a lot of small caps, but if the trend changes, mid caps and large caps pick up, we will also shift that allocation. Second thing is that we will have a focus on high momentum. They are showing a trend breakout and something that we can capitalize on. It will be concentrated, like we said, it will only be 10 stocks. And when you have 10 stocks, then you might end up foregoing diversification. What that means is if there's sudden crash, your correction will be high. But if the trend continues, you will also gain a lot of in terms of performance. So that is the idea behind selection of the universe and the number of stocks that we have. Obviously, like all of our other strategies, we use AI technology to forecast the risk in the market. And if the risk in the market goes very high, then you will see us reallocating. The risk management is quite strong in this particular strategy itself. We have the process of systematic reallocation. If your portfolio goes down by more than 5%, we'll take out the money, put it into cash.
Securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully.